Welcome back to my channel, Ruth and Tom Philippine Adventure. Today I will do apple cake tutorial, so watch this video.
Every single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day I'm gonna make.
To start with this one, soften your butter. Your butter is in a room temperature. So beat the butter and soften, then add slowly your sugar. Beat it until fluffy. So if you want to make this for a bigger cake, you need to times 2 the measurement of the ingredients below. Then beat this butter and the sugar until it will mix well like this. Then after this one is open, I just add the egg one by one. Then put the egg one at a time, then beat that to make sure that the egg will be incorporated to the butter. But better this one, you crack your egg in a separate bowl, but I did also want this for tutorial only. So after you put all the eggs together, just add your vanilla, then mix it well. So I'm doing this so I make this 2 times 2 of my ingredients. So you add your flour, all-purpose flour. I'm using a strainer, just make it. You should what's that? Use this one to help the sifted flour like this, so that sometimes the lumps of the flour and some dirt that one is there. So add your baking soda, ground cinnamon, salt, like that. Then I always do like this. If I'm doing my baking soda, I always put also in the strainer so that no fluffy. Then if you have a hand mixer, you can use this one also. If you don't have, you can just use spatula just to mix this one. So this is the mixture of the flour, the egg. Then you put your apple. You cut like this. Then you don't put all your apple there, because so that you have decoration on the top when you put the one in baking pan. So after you've done that one, you just transfer your mixture to your cake pan like this. So I'm putting parchment paper so that it will not slip. Then you just lay or just press slowly with a spatula to arrange your mixture. Then turn that one on. Then you put on the top the apple, the remaining apple for the decoration. Then this one you can bake this for 40 minutes until the toothpick, when you try to taste the cake with coconut, the toothpick come out clean. So that's easy as this. So it's healthy food, it's healthy recipe. So in this tutorial I'm using white sugar, but you can use also custard sugar or coconut sugar, I mean, or a brown sugar. It's better than the white sugar. So after you decorate the top of this one, so it's ready to bake. So just then after cooking, your cake is done. like this. So it's ready. To subscribe for more updates. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the likes and comment down.